Moving ahead, Reliance Industries plans to consolidate its FMCG brands into a new entity, New Reliance Consumer Products Limited. This strategic move aims to provide specialized attention to the FMCG business. If you see Reliance at present around 0.5% gain, 1526 level. Anjali Palod is here with more details on the news. Anjali, over to you.
Right. Well, Reliance is looking to spin off its FMCG business into a separate arm under the Reliance Industries Limited. Now, as of now, all the FMCG and consumer brands business is largely with two entities under Reliance. One is under Reliance Retail Limited, and the other is RCPL, which is Reliance Consumer Products Limited under RRVL. What the company plans to do now is to remove all of these consumer businesses from their respective parent companies and create a new entity called New RCPL, which was formerly known as Tira Beauty. Now, this New RCPL will be a new company that will be a subsidiary directly under Reliance Industries Limited. Now, and this proposal was given to the NCLT, which has cleared this composite scheme involving four of Reliance Group companies. This will happen through four steps. First will be RRL, which is Reliance Retail, will transfer the FMCG business to RRVL, the Reliance Retail Ventures Limited. This will be done via slump sale. RCPL, which is the FMCG unit, will be reverse merged into RRVL, and then this entire FMCG business will be demerged from RRVL and made into New RCPL. New RCPL will issue shares to RRVL shareholders in a 1:2 ratio. Now, the rationale that the company has given for this particular restructuring is that the FMCG business needs a specialized management which is different from from core retail operations, and they've also said that it will attract a new set of investors, which is why and also large capital requirements will be there for the business, and that consumer brands business is not a part of retail business. Therefore, all of it will now be under Reliance Industries Limited.